Hey, this is Natasha from Divon Creations, and I am bringing you my plan with me for the new year. So, this will be covering Monday the 31st, which is today, up into Wednesday. But I think I'm going to do the spread for the whole entire week, but I only have enough planned for Wednesday. I try not to plan too far in advance because things always change. But I know for sure what I have already planned is pretty much what it's going to be, inshallah. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the kit that I'm going to be using. And this is a Happy Planner kit for New Year's. And I am giving you a sneak peek into something new that's coming to the shop. And these are the formats that I will be using for the Happy Planner kits. I don't plan on doing many of them, but the ones I do release are going to be amazing. So no worries there. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to first get started by highlighting New Year's Day. And we're going to go ahead and highlight that with this really cute sticker. And these are matte stickers that I'm using. I did print a few in the glossy, but it just really didn't do it any justice. So I chose to print these on matte sticker paper, which we never are satisfied with that first lay down, are we? No, we're not. And as you see, it came up really easy. It did not rip my page or anything, and it fits perfectly. Because we'll all be up late tonight celebrating the New Year's. And I haven't done my goals yet for 2019, but I will. I will have some time to sit and I will work on them. Let's see, I guess we can put this right here, because I do want to set some goals out for the new year. And I do have some things planned, so let's go ahead and try out this heart checklist, which I'm going to try to put all my checklists in the middle boxes. The days where I know I have stuff to do. And let me see, Wednesday I have about 3 things on my list. So let's put this here. So please leave below what you have planned for the new year. What's your goal? What's one of your goals? Share that in the comments. I know I want to put a little reminder down here. And these fit perfectly. I mean, come on now. This is like a perfect fit here. So I'm going to put that there. Let's put that up there. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to use my these balloons, because my father's birthday is the first week of January, so I definitely don't want to forget to represent Daddy and my cousin. Their birthdays are in January. So I'm going to make sure I put a sticker down for my dad and my cousin, which their birthday is January the 5th. So we're going to go ahead and get this up here. Bam. Just like that. But that's their birthday. All right. So like I say, I'm going to be able to fill it in from today up until Wednesday. And the next week, which I'm almost certain I'll have a list of things to do on Friday. And maybe just a few things to do on Thursday. Because Thursday would be the first. Let me see. No, they go back on Wednesday. So Wednesday is their first full day back to school. Which is very exciting for all the parents out there that have children that's been in the house for over a week. And it's time to get back to routine and a good schedule. Because my children, I love them so much. But it's a lot sometimes. And everybody has their own personal requests and things they need to do. So Monday is our trash day. So we'll go ahead and use this just as a little reminder. That was the day we needed to put our trash out, which today we did put our trash out. Last Monday we forgot. I have my YouTube sticker here, which I just finished filming my YouTube video for Cricut tutorials, which should be posted hopefully by, I don't know, today. If I could finish editing, I will post it today or Wednesday. And let's get some more deco on here. Let's get this because it's the new year. I'm so excited to end 2018 on a good, positive note with everyone. It's a great feeling or a great time to clear up any loose ends. If you're having beef with someone, let's clear it up. Let's get it together. Let's apologize and let's move on. It's always good to just let it go, you know, just let it go. Okay, let's see, I got one more here. Guess we can put you here because let's see, Tuesday, guess we could kind of half it here. Perfect. We'll do it that way. And then we'll do the same over here. Since by the time we make it to next Sunday, we will be all over and finished with celebrating and celebrations. We'll be finished. All right, so we've used all of these stickers here. I still have one more sticker left, which I believe this is a great amount because I feel like this spread is coming along really well. I am really happy with it, but I definitely want to show you how a small amount of stickers can really go a long way. So we have our headers left, which I like to put on, let's see, I don't have anything to shop. Let's see, filming. So we'll start filling in and then we will see which one of these headers will work. Let's see. Well, definitely I'm going to take some time out for me tonight and maybe have a glass of wine with my husband to celebrate the new year. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Some self-care. That's for mommies. Let's see. So we know for sure I did my Cricut tutorial. I just finished filming that. That's for today. We're definitely going to bake some cookies later. I'm going to do that with the kids. And also the bath bombs. My daughter got a kit for bath bomb making. And we're going to make some more bath bombs. So let's go ahead and jot that down. I know tomorrow I already have here some self-care when me and my husband will toast in the new year. We will be heading out of town possibly for New Year's. I'm not sure yet, but there's a chance. All right, and then for Wednesday, it's back to school. I need to print my order slips. I need to continue to make more designs for the shop. And do my test prints. So that covers up until Wednesday. And like I say, with such a large family, things usually change instantly. So I don't like to fill in too much in advance because it will, most likely, it always changes. But for sure, they will be going back to school. And I just have to use this sticker. Now, I don't know what I'm going to say with her. My nails are so long. I cut my nails down. Isn't she like bomb with the head wrap? Come on now. Ah, we love her. So, since I love watching certain shows on Friday, or Instagrammers, I should say, we're going to plop her on Friday because I know we will have something to say. I have 2 more of her left, so we'll save her. And then we have more headers here, which chores, I should definitely make note of that because we're going to fill these in on the side. Let's come on a little closer. Right there. Any type of shopping I may need to do for the week, we're going to put that on here. So we'll just leave a little space because I do record our chores a different way, so I don't need that much space. And since I did mention print and cut days, I will just put this here on the top because it's super cute and it will stand out to remind me. And yes, I need the list. I wish I could consolidate my emails. I have so many email accounts. So we'll make sure that we'll write down the email accounts I need to check. So there we go. This is what I have. I think it's really cute. And it looks amazing. And I'm so excited to be able to fill it in with all new and exciting things going into the new year. I would like to thank everyone for all the love and support with my shop. I appreciate it. I hear you. I see the comments. I listen to your feedback. And I greatly appreciate it. I'm excited to bring a new PR girl on my team, which is very exciting. This is my first PR girl. I will link her in my Instagram. She has also put a post out there on her Instagram that she will be doing PR for my shop, just to get the word out to all the ladies that are interested in images and stickers that look like us. I do want to offer more kits, so if you're interested in my kits and my format, and maybe I've made something and you have feedback, definitely contact me on Instagram at Natasha Divine or at Divon Creations. And with that being said, Happy New Year's. I'm praying for all of y'all, and I pray that all your dreams and blessings will be fulfilled in this new year and going forward. See you next year, y'all.